Hello guys, and welcome to Unit 1 here in Harbortown. I'm going to be showing you a commercial listing today. We are in Harbortown of Gulf Breeze, which is a business complex, lots of businesses, shops, things like that. This is a corner unit and you are getting the top and the bottom floor. It is right here at the end of the complex, so you have a plethora of parking for you and your customers. This unit does have a brand new 2026 roof on it. And we are gonna start downstairs. This is currently Salt Home Studio. They've got a beautiful showroom here. So inside you do have wood look flooring. Lots of track lighting throughout. Very, very bright in here. You do have that bright window just up front. So built-ins throughout, and then here is the entry. We've got a nice, large, open space. And then they have created a partition here. The options are endless with this unit. So you've got multiple storage closets there. You've got a large storage closet here. You can see the wall right here. That is about the size of the closet. It is currently full of pillows, or I would show it to you. And then you do have a back storage room here. And you do have access outside to the back of the unit. So if you wanted employees to enter in a different way other than the front door, there are options there. And then you do have a small kitchen area as well. You've got cabinetry, a sink, room for a microwave, and then they do have a fridge here on the other side. A bathroom, of course. So you do have a newer toilet and vanity. And bright vanity lighting. And then back here, there is even more storage just in this cubby. As I said, this is a design studio, so they've got lots of boxes, but plenty of room for storage. So like I said, they created this partition. You could knock that out. It's just with curtains. You can make it even bigger. Truly lots and lots of options. Let me walk you to the outside of the unit so you can see their display window. They're one of the few units that have that here in Harbortown. So coming outside the unit here, do have mailboxes, so easy access there. And then here is the display window. Not a lot of units in Harbortown have that. I think it's quite a cool feature. And then here is your exterior access as well, the separate door. So let's go upstairs now and check out the rest of the unit. To access this unit, you will come up the stairs just right here. And it comes into a large covered patio area equipped with ceiling fans, plenty of space. And keep in mind, this is the corner unit here at Harbortown. Down on the end, so you've got all of this parking just outside of your business. And this unit does have a brand new 2026 roof, and the upstairs unit has a 2024 HVAC. This unit has been redone throughout. You can see just how bright and modern it is. So coming inside, you've got 1,600 square feet of workspace, tile flooring all throughout, and then you do have a theme of the black and white and all of the shiplap throughout, giving it a nice modern coastal feel. Upon entry, you do have this mural as well. So you have your door for entry, and then you have these bright windows. And here they have a sitting area, could be a reception area, sitting area, whatever that looks like for your business. That is separated here by a partition wall that they are using for extra storage. And from here on, you just have a large workspace Have a conference room just behind that. So you do have bright windows just behind the workspace here, letting in lots of light. And we do have a lot of live oaks here in Harbor Town, so you do have a view of those as well. Just across from the main common area, you do have a pretty much full kitchen. You've got a built-in dining area with lots of beautiful woodwork behind there. They do have a breakfast bar type setup, could be used for that, but also a workspace. Do have the flat cabinetry, all black. You've got the black stainless steel appliances, and then you do have a built-in microwave, full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, beautiful butcher block countertops, a single basin sink, and lots of storage. They do have a TV mounted here. They have a workspace just across, as we saw. And here is more of a look at this beautiful woodwork. Just such a great use of the space. I do love the exposed ceilings, the beams, and then you can see here they even have the windows. Here is the conference room. So it has the glass doors giving that open feeling throughout, but it is completely closed off. So you have a separate space, or you could open up the doors and make an even larger common area workspace. Nice and quiet. These doors are heavy duty. You do have a bright double window in here, and this is quite a large room. As you can see, you've got a full-size conference room table in here. And not a bad view for a business complex. And here is more about the parking. As you can see, there is no unit in Harbor Town that's gonna have this much parking around it. You've got access to the back side of the lot and all of the sides. All right, let's continue on to the back of the unit. Once again, such a great use of the space. They've got 3 more desks back here, lots of room. Bright windows to lighten the space. And then to access the bathroom area, they do have the modern barn door. You've got a nice storage area being used for storage. So you do have a bench for seating, lots of storage underneath there, along with some hooks. So this could be an employee area to store personal items. And then coming into the bathroom, you do have a modern mirror and vanity. Commode there. And then you do have the modern white doors with glass, obviously frosted glass. And then this unit does also have a shower. So you've got a standing shower in here, nice tile work. And then we do have some built-in storage cabinet just right here. So you have a full bathroom here in this unit. This hallway can be shut off completely. Alrighty guys, once again, 1,600 square feet up here, Unit 1A in Harbor Town. Got pretty much a full kitchen, a full bathroom, and a large modern open workspace. Once again, this is listed with the top and bottom floor, so you are getting the entire Unit 1 here in Harbor Town, corner unit, guys. All right, come check this one out, y'all.